Welcome back to the Learning Studio, where legal knowledge meets real-world impact. Today, we're diving into the legal world of creativity, innovation, and ownership. Intellectual property law, or IP law. If you've ever written a song, designed a logo, or invented a product, this episode is for you. Who owns a viral TikTok dance? Can a company patent life-saving medicine and charge thousands for it? What happens when someone copies your artwork or app? In a world built on ideas, intellectual property law protects the value of human creativity. What is intellectual property law? Intellectual property, IP, law governs the legal rights given to creators and inventors for their work. Unlike physical property, IP refers to intangible creations of the mind, like inventions, brand names, artistic works, and designs. IP law does two key things: protects creators' rights to control and profit from their work, encourages innovation and creativity by offering legal rewards. Types of intellectual property. There are four major types of IP. Copyright protects original works of authorship, books, music, films, software, art. Example, a song or novel. Patent protects new inventions and technologies. Example, a new drug formula or a smartphone design. Trademark protects logos, brand names, slogans, and product identifiers. Example, Nike's swoosh or McDonald's golden arches. Trade secret protects confidential business information that gives a company a competitive edge. Example, the Coca-Cola recipe or Google's search algorithm. Each type has different rules, durations, and protections. International protection. IP law is national, but the global economy demands international agreements. Key treaties include the Berne Convention, copyright, the Paris Convention, trademarks and patents, TRIPS Agreement under the World Trade Organization, WTO. These frameworks help creators protect their work across borders, a must in the digital age. Famous case study, Apple v. Samsung, US 2012. One of the biggest IP battles of the 21st century, Apple sued Samsung for allegedly copying the iPhone's design and features. After years of legal war, Apple was awarded over $500 million in damages. The case sparked global debate about patents, innovation, and design rights, and showed how IP law can be both protective and controversial. Why IP law matters today. From tech startups to YouTube creators, intellectual property is currency in the modern economy. Artists use copyright to protect their work. Startups rely on patents to attract investors. Companies build identity through trademarks. Trade secrets drive competitiveness and innovation. In the digital world, IP theft is easier and more damaging than ever, making IP law essential for creators, consumers, and businesses alike. What's next? Understanding intellectual property law helps you protect your work, respect others, and navigate a world built on ideas. In the next episode, we'll explore immigration and nationality law, cyber law, refugee law, or the laws of war, covering how law evolves with our biggest global challenges. This is the Learning Studio, and you're watching the Law series, where legal knowledge powers innovation and change.